Here we have the assault bike, and one of the ways that's on the combat team that we like to try and increase our VO2MAX is with this lovely bad boy right here. This is Caden, Carlos. Usually we do a Tabata style workout, or different ways variation that we do a max effort on this. One of the ways we do a Tabata style workout is 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off, which is 4 minutes, 8 rounds. We'll switch like that, or we'll do a reverse Tabata, which is going to be 10 seconds on, 20 seconds off. You do that for 4 minutes, which is 8 rounds. You rest 2 minutes and you do it again. Another way that me and Caden like to do one is we do 10 seconds work, max effort, 50-second rest. We'll switch on and off for 15 minutes. And that really, that puts a hurting on you. So Caden here is going to demonstrate basically the 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off, going as hard as he can for 20 seconds, and then he's gonna rest for 10 seconds. So here we go, send it. As you see, he's doing maximum effort, just going all out as hard as he can, non-stop. And when that 20 seconds over, he's gonna rest for 10, and then he's gonna do it again. And it's all gonna be for 8 rounds, total 4 minutes. First round, it's not that bad. Second, third round, fourth round, and so on. That's when it really started getting bad. So there he goes, 10 seconds rest. He's going again for 20 seconds. There you go. Harder. There we go. There we go. Good job. So the benefit of doing this with a partner is basically you're able to push each other harder and harder rather than by yourself. You get in your head and you try to slack off, but that's not an excuse. Try it out, guys.